Today's garage door openers are cooler than ever. You may not be sure you need a new one, but then again, you won't know what you're missing. Here's the top 5 reasons to purchase a new garage door opener. A noisy opener can disturb adjacent living spaces. Choose from overhead and wall-mounted openers to create a garage door system that operates silently. Today's openers can be controlled from your smartphone. Get real-time notifications, control preset schedules, share access with family members, and more. Since 1993, every opener must be sold with safety eyes. They alert the opener to reverse the door to the open position if anything crosses a signal while the door is closing. Openers also help to protect your home. Security Plus 2.0 equips remotes with millions of codes to prevent hacking. The built-in camera on the 85503 allows you to see and hear what's happening in your garage. Choosing an opener with a battery backup keeps your opener running during a power outage or storm and gives you peace of mind during unexpected emergencies. With so many reasons to replace your garage door opener, why wait another minute? Give us a call today. I'm Master Technician Joe Conti with Precision Door, a name you can trust.